guys.
Hi guys.
I would like to shout out to all my students who supported me in my YouTube channel, to all my grade 5 and grade 4 students in Filipino Kijinka International School. Thank you so much for supporting your sensei. And also for those who supported me even though they don't know me that much, thank you so much, everyone. And please continue to support my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to my next video. And if you like my video tutorial, please hit the like button so that we can spread love and support to one another. So stay tuned everyone, our video tutorial will start in a minute. So I hope that you will learn something out from our video tutorial this time. Hi again, my little mathematician. Welcome again to our video tutorial. This time we will discuss about common factors. What will be this common factor? So when we say factors, we have to find two numbers that if we multiply, the answer should be the given number. So later we will understand it easily if we already have our examples. Let us have now our example. So for example, we have 18 and 24. Now we have to find their common factors by finding their factors first. So factors, we have to find two numbers that if we multiply, the answer is 18 or 24. Now let us start with 18. If possible, we have to start with 1. So 1 times 18 and then followed by 2 times 9. And also we have 3 times 6. Do we still have other factors? So, none. Now, let's go with 24. So, we have 1 times 24. We also have 2 times 12. We also have 6 times 4. And 3 times 8. So those are the factors of 18 and 24. Now, if we are done finding the factors of 18 and 24, this time we will list all the numbers without the multiplication sign. So we have here the 1. Let us list it. So we have 1. We also have 18. We also have 2. We also have 9. We also have 3 and 6. That is for 18. Now let's go with 24. We have 1, 24, 2, 12, 6, 4, 3, and 8. Now, if we are done listing all the numbers without the multiplication sign, this time we will find their common factors. We have 1. So, the first common number will be 1. Followed by 2, followed by 3, and the last same number or common factor is 6. So in 18 and 24, we have 4 common factors. And that is how we are going to find their common factors. Let's have another example. We have 32 and 64. So let us find their factors first. Start with 32. So we have 1 times 32. Next is 2 times 16, followed by 4 times 8. How about in 64? We have 1 times 64, 2 times 32, and 8 times 8. Now, after listing all their factors, let us list the numbers, okay, without multiplication sign. So, we have 1 for 32, followed by 32, and then 2, and then 16, 4, and 8. How about in 64? We have 1, 64, 2, 32, and 8. So we will just write the 8 there as 1. It is understandable that if we write 1 8 in our listing, then that is already equal to 8 times 8. Now let us find the common factors. So by finding the common factors, we have to look for the same numbers that 32 and 34 have. So we have 1. That will be our first common factors. We also have 32 for our second common factor. Also 2 for our third common factors. And the last one will be the 8 for our fourth common factors. Therefore, we have 4 common factors for the example 32 and 64. So that's all for our video tutorial in common factors. I hope you understand it, and I hope that you learned something out from our video tutorial. So if you like our video tutorial, please hit the like button, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that you will always be updated to our next video tutorial. So see you again in our next video tutorial. Bye, my little mathematician. God bless.